when you get ready to put your new front end on. New front end. You have to take all of your metal brackets that supported the old front end, and you have to mount it to your new front end for support. That includes drilling holes for the brackets. This is a KBD body kit. Like this bracket right here goes right here. And this bracket right here, these two, they go together. They go together. Go right here. And then you have holes for your fender and your wheel well skirt. Then these are all your holes for the bracket also. And that bracket has to go right here, like this hole, this nut bolt right here goes up here. Okay. So that is some of the stuff you have to do while you're doing this. You can't, it's not just a throw on thing. You can see the headlights are still on there. But like I said, and this is the rear, and then those are the two sides. And the fin is not mounted, it's just sitting back here. It's got a hole in it for the light, third eye brake light in it already. It's got to be mounted in it before it's mounted on there. But waiting for getting all of the stuff in. Like this, he said, you need to scuff it, to scuff up the parts, clean it all off, supposedly with Ajax, acetone, and then before you paint, you'll also have to spray it down with this static off, because plastic draws static electricity. So, all right, that's it. Work in progress.